If you've been thinking about ordering from maryandsusansavannah.com, you might want to hold off for a moment. I took a closer look at the website, and there are a few things that definitely deserve your attention. First, the domain is very new, which is often something to be cautious about when shopping online. New websites aren't automatically scams, but they haven't had time to build a trustworthy reputation. Independent website checkers also give the site mixed to poor trust ratings, mainly because of its recent registration and the lack of an established track record. Another concern is the limited amount of verified customer feedback available. Some reviewers have also questioned the authenticity of the product photos and the store's claims, making it harder to know exactly what you'll receive. That doesn't necessarily mean every order will go wrong, but there are enough red flags that I'd recommend being very careful. If you do decide to buy, use a payment method that offers buyer protection, avoid spending a large amount on your first order, and read the return policy carefully. Overall, my recommendation is to proceed with caution. Until the site builds a stronger reputation and more verified customer reviews become available, it's probably safer to shop with a more established retailer.